In this video, we will examine why 99,999 Vechain tokens, better known as VET, will set you financially free. We will also be looking at the latest news and partnerships in the Vechain network, the best price predictions for the VET token in 2023 and by 2025. Please remember that this is not intended to be financial advice. Never purchase any suggested coin without researching, since it is entirely your responsibility. Now, with Vechain predicted to touch around 50 cents to $1 per VET, you can understand why it is such a good bargain to buy 99,999 VET coins at the current market price. At the time of this recording, the value of the VET coin is $0.015, and although VET did not start trading on the open market until 2018, Vechain is one of the oldest blockchains out there. First, it existed as a layer 2 network on the Ethereum network before the mainnet of Vechain went live and its own native cryptocurrency. VET became a real cryptocurrency that can be traded. The current price level is just slightly above its initial launch price of about 1 cent, just at the beginning of the crash that succeeded the crypto boom of 2018. The continual drop in value of bigger cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum impacted the price action of a coin like the Vechain, so we saw the coin drop to an all-time low value of just about $0.002 in 2022. The coin fell gradually over 2 years and was primed to join the market revival that prevailed over the crypto industry in 2020 and going into 2021. Now, in that time, Vechain developers had developed some more incredible utility and formed partnerships with big businesses, which aided it just as we went deeper into 2021. That increased at least 500 times from 2020 to trade at $0.1. That was not done yet. It rose 2 times more to trade at an all-time high of just about 26 cents before we entered the year 2021. The year 2022 is widely known as an ugly one for most cryptocurrencies, and Vechain was also held captive. The decline started with a drop to 15 cents and then to 10 cents. As the year wore on, VET traded at $0.08 and gradually fell way below the 2-cent price level. The fall of Bitcoin had significant impact over many altcoins, and it prompted a major dip in value over the likes of Vechain, as it fell more than 80% of its all-time high value. However, with the anticipation of a new market bull run that will touch every nook and cranny of the crypto market, at the current market price when recording this video, 99,999 VET is worth $1,549. You could possibly end up with at least $50,000 off your investment if you plan to hold for the long term. However, this will not just happen unless the project's fundamentals are set in stone. Vechain appears to be one of the most grounded crypto projects with its active utility that has now transcended Web 2.0 into the revolutionary world of Web 3.0. One of the first entries that Vechain has introduced into their network is VROJ, a decentralized no-code platform that allows developers to develop Web 3.0 blockchains on the Vechain network. The platform comes out as a free-to-air development platform that allows creatives to implement their ideas to build more blockchains that serve real-world utility, thereby providing grounds for the increased adoption of cryptocurrencies. Developers can also build decentralized applications directly on Vechain as part of its mission to revolutionize the Web3 economy. To push this idea, the community has partnered with UFC as a major sponsor of DApp's development training, with incentives for successfully trained developers who get free tickets to watch any UFC fight of their choice. Among other things set to happen in 2023, Vechain has partnered with a solid Galaxy ecosystem as part of its contribution to Web3 infrastructure. The purpose is to allow the onboarding of Vechain Web3 projects, which can be integrated into the NFT World Cup. This integration was supported by the World of VR DApp, one of the world's largest NFT marketplaces built on Vechain, where users can trade VET tokens for NFTs of their choice. These developments fit into the blockchain's goal to build a trust-free distributed business ecosystem to enable the flow of information for efficient collaboration and high-speed value transfer. With UFC, Vechain is also adding to its growing list of partner businesses to join the likes of Louis Vuitton, McDonald's, and Walmart. This really says a lot about how much faster Vechain is helping the crypto market become relevant to the mainstream. And that is why you see predictions that are so hopeful of the Vechain reaching $100 in 2025 or 2030, as the case may be. I think those price levels are pretty unrealistic given the current price levels, and many experts agree that Vet's biggest expectation right now is about $1, and that puts the expectation of about 100 times price growth. Therefore, if you see a prediction that suggests that Vechain will reach $1 in 2023, they expect 100 times price growth from 0.0155 to at least $1 or $2. Now, I would suggest a more modest prediction of 50 cents for Vet in 2023, and that is a pretty fair speculation. $1 may then be easily achievable from there in 2024. I think $2 may be a fair price level for Vet to attain by 2025, and committing to $1,600 to buy 999,999 Vet promises a return of about $199,998. That is a pretty big jump. Of course, this might not be good enough for you, especially if you're looking to mooch off the Vechain market for quick profits in 2023. Then this video may just not be for you. I'm pretty big on investing for the long term, and I believe that buying a significant amount of Vet tokens will make you an unprecedented amount of profits in the next 2 to 3 years. However, a truly long-term strategy will stretch beyond that time. You could become the Warren Buffett of crypto and project occurring profits that will cover the next 7 years. So let's say by 2030, what will Vet's value be? I have seen a lot of predictions, and some of them are pretty outrageous. You'll find predictions suggesting that Vet could reach $100 in 2025, while some argue that it could reach the same value in 2030. In retrospect, the 2030 prediction is more realistic, but I want to take an angle to look at the market. We don't exactly know how many bullish and bearish runs will plague the crypto market, but given current price levels, it would be pretty safe to be content with the slightest bump up in the price of Vet. I expect a modest price between $10 to $50 at least. And yes, I could be wrong, but it would be a fair price. Holding 99,999 Vet for that long would peg the total value between $999,990 to about $4.99 million. We have seen some cryptocurrencies achieve higher values in less time, but if we are operating at a safe level of expectations, a value between $10 and $50 is more than appreciable for anybody who buys Vechain at this time. You never know. The project may reach $10 in less time or even $100, but the crypto market is a volatile one, and such would be preposterous to aim too high over such a long period. You must know when to cut your losses over time and accrue your profits for increased returns. I sincerely hope that you are a hopeful, long-term investor like me, and these predictions make sense to you. And if so, I wish you good luck as you consider if Vechain is worth investing in.